Hi, today I'm reviewing Asus ROG Phone 6D and I'll show you how to record calls on this device. So first open the phone application, then tap on the right upper corner to the three dots to more icon and go to the settings. Then click here to call section and tap to advanced section. Here click to call recording and be sure that auto call recording switcher is activated. Also you could here activate the call recording notifications to show a notification after when the call has been recorded, and also you could switch here the option to record calls from all numbers or just from selected numbers, and here you could add your those numbers. So I'll use the all numbers settings here. After that, let's go back to the phone app, click to the three dots and tap to call recordings. Click on the right upper corner on the more icon, tap to the settings, and here we could switch our recording settings. So here we could switch the call recording quality from the high to good or to low one. So you could switch here the storage. I'll use the internal storage. I got only one option here. We could also switch here the start and recording present name, and to switch call recording present name, and to switch the recording time limit from 6 to 5, 4, 3 to 1 hours. And also we could activate here the option to keep screen on during recording, and in about you could see here the version, privacy policy, term of use notice, and more options. So that's it. That's how to record, to change our recording calls, recording options, and how to record calls on our Asus ROG phone. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.